Good morning, friends. I am Gopi. I want to start this speech with one good quotation. Conquer yourself, and the whole world is yours, said by Swami Vivekananda. When I saw this video, the girl with no legs and running in a race, amazing how much confidence she is having in her to compete this competition. Oh my God, unbelievable confidence she is having. Her goal, her target, she wants to win. So trying with the person who is having full legs, hands, with the students and girls, she is not having leg, even though she is competing, she is trying, she is attending, means imagine she is having lot of confidence in her and she is doing well. And we can learn a lot from this. People who are having whole body, legs, hands, everything is fine, and we are unable to compete, we are unable to solve our problems, and unable to do our things, but we can learn a lot from this girl. So everyone in this world, every moment, you have to have your self confidence inside, and you yourself, you have to boost your self confidence. Then only you can talk to anyone, you can compete anything, and you can solve every problem in your life. Don't worry how many problems do you have, it comes in front of you only. That's why be confident, be strong, be happy, and be successful. The situation, it is going to be positive for you. That's why, see, whenever a competition is going on, someone is not going to think about that, but she is participated in that program, in that competition, and she started running, and everyone is watching her, and everyone is clapping her to achieve her goal. That's we need from everyone. So in my view, you see, we feel a lot in our, whenever we got less confidence, we feel that it is not going to solve our problems in our life. That is not correct. You have energy, you have thinking power inside you, you can do marvelous things in this world. It depends on you only, whether you want to do or not. It depends on you. No one can tell you to do like that. But if you have interest, if you have passion inside, and you can do anything in this world. That is the thing is doing here. And my question is, if we train our children from first standard to up to graduation level, in all fields, either in public speaking or leadership skills or attitude, behavior, how to have relationship with the friends, how to have relation with the parents, how to have relationship with the neighbors, and how to talk to elders, how to talk to younger, then only they can succeed in their life. Like, if you develop from your childhood, and if you train your children from the from basic level, they can achieve their their life and their thing, what they want to become in their life. And we should not tell them to do this, that. It is going to impact, influence a lot, because they have their own interest, and they have their own thinking, their attitude, and how to overcome, and how to get they into their life, they know well. That's why we have to give a positive feedback and positive things to them, and emotionally, and spiritually, and financially, they can solve their issues and their problems, and they can succeed in their life. And and everyone in this world, you have to think positive. Then only we can solve anything, any problem. The problem will not be there without a solution. So that's, we have to think ourselves, we have to think deep inside. And if you do exercise daily, go to the park, do yoga, and do develop your what is the strength, and you can do anything. That's why we have to have our relationship with our neighbors, our relationship with our kids, and have good relation with your boss. Whenever you go to office, you may have so many issues, so many problems, so many things to solve, issues, many issues. But you have to think positively and perfect, and you have to develop your skills, and you have to update your skills. If you are not updating your skills, then it is going to be very problem for you, because world became a global village. Everyone is talking about global village, and your people are talking around the globe, like from USA, UK, Australia, everywhere, because that type of opportunity is there for you to. Nowadays everyone is busy with their Zoom links and Zoom talking, because due to pandemic we are not meeting each other. So we are talking through Zoom, and we are developing our skills. If you develop your skills, public speaking, leadership skills, all this, so it is going to be better, and you will have your own self confidence, and you can solve anything. That's why update yourself, read more, watch more, and learn from them, and share the knowledge to others, and you can increase your knowledge. Because if you are learning yourself, and you are keeping inside yourself, and it is not sharing your knowledge to others, and then it is not going to be benefit for you. If you are sharing, means you are increasing your knowledge, you are increasing your knowledge, and it is benefiting to our nation. That's why we have to share our knowledge, our thing, whatever you are having, so that people can learn from you, and you can learn from them. Because no one is perfect in this world. Everyone is having their own strategy, their own thing. One person is having in one thing, he is perfect, another person is having perfect in that one. And if you share together, we can solve anything, and we can develop ourselves. Like you see, this girl is did well, and I hope she's having lot of confidence inside, and lot of thoughts inside. And even though she's having struggle with the leg, she unable to run, even though she's tried and reached her goal. So everyone should learn a lot from this girl, and succeed in your life, and you can do marvelous. Thank you so much, sir, for listening my presentation and this speech. And thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Bye.